So how many we have in this group, Mark?
Let's see, I got, looks like, oh God, I got 5 behind me. We got, what, 4 in front of me? We got a big group.
How the hell did we get everybody coming in the early group?
Yeah, because we were leaving.
I think we got 9 or 10.
I think we got 10.
Yeah, that copper one's the last one.
Okay, 10 it is.
Call your grandmother and see if you call her.
I already called her.
What did she say? When did you call her?
We got a red light, Tanner.
Yeah, so do I up here.
11:14.
What'd she say?
The bug outside winter. I said, they're all out today. Just stay in the house. I said, Jordan got like 200 in front of his house. Headlight told him he was sucking him up, salt back in his house.
There's the Band-Aid wagon.